Today I will show you how to use Rocket Money. This will be a beginner's guide. We will cover some of the basics, including functionality and the various settings available in this app. You can see here that we are actually on the iOS device in real time, so you can follow along with this setup. We are now on the demo account provided here on Rocket Money. One thing to note is there will be additional tutorials at the end of this video and in the show notes below. If you want to continue learning beyond this beginner's guide, let's break some of these things down. Rocket Money is all about helping you manage your money clearly. They offer the ability to link your checking accounts and cards on file in one place. For this demo account, multiple checking accounts from different banks are shown here, all adding up to the total in the checking account. This allows us to see everything essentially holistically. You can also add credit cards. If you have a credit card from a bank different than your usual one, you can add it here as well. And down here, you can have a savings account directly with Rocket Money. If you already have a savings account, it can also be added here when connecting your accounts. If you continue down here, you will see many of your transactions. This shows all transactions from all your bank accounts, all in one place. This allows you to view many different things simultaneously. You can create budgets, which we will cover how to set up after this video. You can see in real time how much you set for each month, usually your averages, and how much money remains to spend that month. You can go into your budgets and see many of those things. The demo will not allow it, but the full tutorial will show that as well. They also offer smart recommendations based on your data, allowing you to set up various goals, such as saving for Christmas or travel. A key factor for many aiming to improve their financial future is their credit score. You also saw this at the very top as well. You can see your credit score once everything is connected. Ensure you monitor this credit score to understand its causes and how to improve it each time you log into your Rocket Money account. They also display your budget up here as well. After creating your budget, you do not need to slide all the way to the bottom. You can see it here in real time all the time, so you can verify that you are on track. You can see this bar here that moves up based on your spending. If your rents are due toward the end of the month or your biggest bills are in the middle, this type of graph will change over time. There is also this area here in the demo account. It's not available for us, but here you can activate what's called the net worth. You can see all you own compared to all you owe and the total of your net worth. So whether it is your investments, your debts, or all combined, this helps, even if you are in the negative, to improve your financial situation by making you more aware of where you currently stand. At the bottom, there are a few more sections we can review as well. There is a recurring section where you can see any recurring bills already linked from the banks you have on file. You can ask it to lower your bills by catching items you might regularly miss that are charged to your account. What's convenient is that in your All section, you might find recurring payments you no longer want, and the app can help cancel them for you directly. Keep in mind, not every subscription will have this, but some do it automatically, saving you a lot of time. You can either go through the cancellation process if desired, or find an existing one and proceed step by step. Sometimes, if it's unavailable for them to do it for you, they will show you the step-by-step process of how it gets done. Now, over on the spending tab below, this will be your budget shown in more detail. You can view all your earnings, bills, current spending, and the month's budget. On the right side, you can search by transactions. So, if you have multiple banks joining, you can do this all at once. This way, you do not need to log into multiple banks when searching for a specific transaction. Clicking the More tab here also shows details about the credit score and the net worth seen earlier. They also have the goal section we mentioned earlier. You can also customize this dashboard by scrolling to the bottom and clicking on Customize My Dashboard. It cannot be done in the demo account for some reason, but this lets you move things around as you prefer. That way, when you log in, it will display the items most important to you in your process. As mentioned earlier, this is a beginner's guide. This is just going through all the different parts of using Rocket Money. If you want to see how to set up the budget mentioned earlier for use in this app, we have got you covered. A video will appear here on screen to guide you step by step on creating a budget on Rocket Money.